Okay, so now we're gonna talk about our languages. We'll start with Turkish and then move on to Arabic. Um, so here is the Turkish alphabet, and I'll just give some facts. Turkish has 75 million native speakers. Most of them are resided in Turkey. It has 29 letters, and 8 of them are vowels. I will really fast walk through the alphabet so you can understand how the sounds are pronounced. Okay, here goes. A, B, J, Ç. Ç is CH in English. D, no, sorry. D, E, F, G. This is soft G, which is a sound like G. H, I, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, Ö, P, R, S, Ş. This is CH, SH. Ş, T, U, Ü, V, Y, Z. So, I mean, the sounds are pretty similar except for a couple different ones, such as Che, which is CH, and then the soft G, and then which is I without the dot, and then and U, and She, which is SH. So yeah, we're gonna learn some phrases in Turkish. So I will read out the Turkish ones, and if you can, I encourage you to repeat it. So I will read out the expression and then wait a couple seconds for you to repeat it in class. So hello is merhaba. Now you can repeat it. Merhaba. Okay, moving on. How are you is nasılsın? 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 Okay, you can repeat it. Okay, goodbye. It's a hard word, but I'm gonna ask you to repeat it at the end of the presentation, so pay attention. So you say goodbye in Turkish by saying görüşürüz. Görüşürüz. And then it's more like see you later, actually. So that's what it translates to directly. And then thank you is teşekkürler. Teşekkürler. You can repeat it if you want. I know it's a lot of different words. And sorry is özür dilerim. Özür dilerim. Okay, and lastly, you're welcome is rica ederim. Rica ederim. I know these are a lot of words. Just try to learn maybe how to say hello and goodbye, and maybe thank you, which is, I'm going to repeat it again. Hello is merhaba. Goodbye is görüşürüz. And then thank you is teşekkürler. Okay, I hope this wasn't too confusing. Okay. Okay, and then I will just do some introductions just to say like what your name is and how to ask someone's name. And then we're gonna demonstrate one with Dana. She doesn't know any Turkish either, so it's gonna be fun. So my name is Banu, translates to benim, which means my, adım, which means name, and Banu. So benim adım Banu. And then I ask, what is your name? Which is senin adın ne? Senin means your, adın means name, and then ne means what. So what is your name? Senin adın ne? You can repeat it if you want. And then Nice to meet you is memnun oldum. It means like I'm pleased to meet you. So memnun oldum. And nice to meet you too. Ben de memnun oldum. Okay. So we're gonna do a dialogue with Dana. Yay. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna start by saying hello. Merhaba.
Merhaba, senin adın ne?
Benim adım Banu. Senin adın ne?
Benim adım Dana.
Memnun oldum.
Ben de memnun oldum.
Yeah, amazing. Yeah. If you guys want, I can wait a couple seconds for you to try it out with your own neighbors. Who wants to try? Okay. You can give me a thumbs up when you're done. Okay. Okay, let's move on then. I think I want you to know how to say hello, goodbye, thank you, and then just this dialogue. And I just included the numbers in case anyone is curious. Numbers is sayılar in Turkish, and I will just read out the first 10 numbers in Turkish. And you can repeat it after me if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I'm gonna read it one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so these are the numbers. I think that's